Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust volume level of your HyperX Cloud Flight S. So to do this, you have to open the audio, then move right here, and as you can see, by moving this slider, you can decrease or increase the volume level of your headset. You can also quickly mute by tapping on this icon. So that's how you can do this. And also there is dedicated scroll button on your right headphone. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm moving this button right now and take a look on the slider. Take a look right here. As you can see, it's moving. I'm gonna increase and then decrease. And that's how you can do this on the HyperX Cloud Flight S. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it.